During the planning stages of our house, we searched for a solar pool heating system for the pool we were building. The layout of the solar collectors on the roof and the integration of piping in the framework of the house were done in full cooperation with our architect. So now, everything is hidden within the walls. We were extremely pleased with the aesthetic result. The solar pool heating system doubles our swim season. We can begin swimming around March all through November. We're currently getting 35 degrees Celsius. Apart from the initial investment, we're essentially receiving free heat from the sun.